Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301737, and this is a 2026 Sierra 1500 Crew Cab Denali. And our color is Glacier White. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on the unit. Alright, so we've got power windows, mirrors with folding mirrors, power locks, memory seat with a power driver seat and a lumbar support. Got our parking brake 4x4 controls, interior and exterior lighting controls, the HUD with HUD settings, a power telescopic steering wheel, which also includes forward collision alert, cruise control. We are super cruise ready, hands-free and stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready as well. Push start ignition, electronic and dual climate control with heated and vented front seats. A heated steering wheel feature, lane keep assist, parking assist, auto start stop, tailgate release, traction control and hill descent control. USB ports, automatic transmission, trailer brake. We are also OnStar ready. We've got our sunroof and rear window controls with garage door openers. And our interior color is brownstone. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a 60/40 split bench seat, which also comes heated, a couple of USB ports for our rear passengers, and some extra storage compartments for you. And moving on to our exterior. Retractable running boards, 22-inch GMC rims. We've got the tailgate step with the rear parking aid, a multi-gate tailgate with a rear view camera, also fob released, a spray-on box liner. And there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301737. You've just checked out this Glacier White 2026 Sierra 1500 Crew Cab Denali. Thanks for watching.